Welcome to the video. Today we are going to be putting the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to the test. I am a beginner, and before I bought this I wanted to see how it actually works for a beginner and the kind of footage that you can get, and I specifically was looking for something that I could travel with and take great videos with but not have to put a ton of work behind it. So if you want a more technical review, there's definitely better videos for that, but I'm just showing you how it works as a beginner. I'll give you more thought at the end of the video and just show you some of the features throughout. But I went on a day-long tour of Connemara National Park in Ireland when I was using this. It was my second week of having it, so again, very new. I'll be showing you the audio from the camera and also the audio with the microphone that it comes with if you get the creator combo. I'm also going to add in some clips from the iPhone so you can just see the comparison. And this camera that I'm currently filming on is the Sony ZV-1. So let's see if this is a good travel camera and enjoy the footage from the national park. When I filmed this, I kept everything super simple. I stayed in auto mode the whole day and shot using the normal color profile. I did not want to mess up with the D-Log because I do not know how to color grade yet, but I think the color that it gave without any editing is incredible. It shoots in 10-bit color, and a standard 8-bit camera like your iPhone or many other entry-level vlogging cameras records around 16.7 million colors, which sounds like a lot, but the 10-bit jumps to over 1 billion colors. So that gives you a lot more flexibility in editing and also just more detail and skin tones in the sky and everything like that. One of the downsides of this camera that I have noticed is it kind of distorts your face a little bit. The other cameras I use do a good job of portraying how people actually look, but I feel like this one flattens out my face a little bit, and honestly I just don't really like the way I look in it. One of the reasons for that is the Osmo Pocket has a flat camera, so it doesn't have an optical zoom and you're stuck with only the digital zoom. That kind of limits the creative shots you're able to get with this camera when you're traveling, and it's definitely not the one I reached for when I was taking photos. So if you're looking for one camera that does it all, I would definitely consider that, and the fact that it doesn't have a flash or that optical zoom. However, I think the size and the stabilization makes up for a lot of those cons. The fact that it's so discreet and I could just take it into this cafe and get good smooth videos without having to pull out something massive and draw attention to myself really helped me get a lot more footage than I usually would have. So if you're shy and just getting started with vlogging, I would definitely take in consideration of how easy this one is to pull out, and people don't even know what it is most of the time. So as a result, you end up getting a lot more B-roll than you normally would have, or at least I do, and I really appreciate that. As well as the autofocus, you can get that cinematic quality by taking videos from close up or also afar and still get that same crispness in every shot. I'm going to insert some of the vlog clips of me using the internal mic on this camera. I got some in the grocery store so you could kind of hear the music behind me, and then I got some outside in the wind, and I also got the tour guide speaking because I thought he told the best stories, so I wanted to give you a preview of that. The microphone I'm currently using is not the DJI, it's one that came from Amazon for about $35. I'm using this one because you can attach it right to your laptop and get the mic recording right in CapCut, whereas the DJI one is Bluetooth. It comes with the creator combo and it connects right to the camera, so whenever you have it on, it immediately connects and syncs with the video. And I also love that you can record directly on it, so you can record a voiceover on it and then upload it to your MacBook or your phone for editing. The quality is incredible, so I'll put some clips towards the end, but I do like this one just for the ease of it, and I will tag it in the description as well. We are going to the Connemara National Park, so we're just getting some snacks to bring on the hike, which I'm worried about because apparently it's hard.
Speed limit here, by the way, guys, 80 kilometers an hour. So yeah, about 50 miles an hour, roughly.
Really?
It's almost like a dare, isn't it?
Yeah, almost.
Beside us on the left, you have the Abbey Glen Castle Hotel, and above the hotel, also on the left hand side, you might see a little monument up on top of the hill there. That's a little monument to the town's founder, John Darcy. That's also the best place, the best vantage point to get photos for Clifton as well. So a lot of your postcards and even old paintings of Clifton were all done up on top there as well. Now, the majority of castles you find in Ireland, most of them are ruined. They're big, single towers that just stand almost like lookout posts, and you'll find them everywhere you go. Where I grew up in the countryside in Galway, there was a castle literally directly across from my parents' house. And if I was heading into Galway, I could take two routes. One route I would pass a castle in Clare Galway, another route I'd pass a castle at Ballindooley. So it doesn't matter where you go in Ireland, there's castles everywhere. Now, of course, most of them are ruined, but there is a lovely castle in County Clare called Bunratty Castle.
Guys, I want to go. Oh my god, we're gonna go. No way.
Yes, we are.
So we're supposed to go climb to the top of that mountain, which is tragic. I have my purse, my jeans, and this bag of food. So, and he said it's going to be super windy at the top as well. But gave a lot of fun facts during the ride, like about these bogs that preserve bodies from 5,000 years ago, and they'll find bodies that still have hair and outfits on. And everyone speaks Irish here, and only 2% of the population speak Irish, so it's really interesting. But yeah, we're at the national park now. So this is a very long day that we had. We got on the tour bus around 8 a.m. and didn't get back to Galway until around 6 or 7 p.m. So the fact that I was able to get this much footage without the battery dying is crazy. Also, with the creator combo, it comes with an external battery pack, which has 100% battery as well. So if you run out, you can just plug that in. You get twice the battery life. So I think it's normally 2 hours and you get 4 hours with that extra battery. I'm going to add in here some footage that I shot on my iPhone just so you can get that quality difference and see what it looks like, because that is another option that has great battery. And I also like that the zoom feature is really good on the iPhone 15 too, which of course is something you don't get on the DJI. But again, look at the quality, and it does this cool like video where it flips around if you get the Osmo Pocket 3. I don't think it has it on the 2, but I included one of those shots just because it's really neat. And I think this plant shot gives you a really good idea on how the autofocus can go from shallow to deep. We're going to get back to the vlog, but I'm going to link timestamps down below, so if you just want to skip this part and go right to the part where we're talking more about the camera, I will have that option available for you. That's a tree that just got knocked out by a storm. 3:43, we're headed back to the bus.
Have to go to this stupid castle. I'm just kidding.
We get to go to a castle. Saw some sheep at the mountain, and going down it was super steep, so like I was trying not to slip the whole time, but it was so beautiful, windy, fun. Could not expect that view. Hi!
Welcome back.
So cute.
I said welcome back.
We did, it was beautiful.
Nice of them to join us.
Right? Oh, there they are. The big ones.
Ah, it's a couple of young. That's good as well.
More Abbey. Kylemore Abbey Castle.
Oh, so it's like, oh.
So like stay
Because we're turning off down the road for the Ina Valley, the name for this place in Ireland.
So we got back to Galway and we found this store where you could build your own charm necklace, and I've been wanting to do this, so I'm going to add some clips from that. So I got this board I'm going to use to put together my necklace. And then I use these hoops. I have a jewelry brand and we do permanent jewelry kits, and I've been selling those for almost a year now, so this is kind of similar.
So I finished my charm bracelet. I did it to represent this month because it was pivotal for me. I did a champagne glass because I got a new job, or started a new job. And then I went to Hawaii, so I put a little starfish and seahorse. Ariana Grande came out with her deluxe album, and the moon represents her. If you know, you know. And then I put a 4-leaf clover for Ireland.
So cute. Alita with the necklace meanings. We love it. Does yours have meaning?
I mean, Ireland, my birthstone, a heart.
Cute.
Love.
Cause love.
And that's the end of the meeting.
Because trip.
Yes, because trip.
I like put it on the wrong way.
Talk me through your
After we made the necklaces, we headed to dinner at McDonough's for fish and chips. It was amazing, but definitely really heavy, which is kind of what we needed after the long day. And then we went to check in to the most adorable little cottage, and I put a lot of footage from that because I wanted to show you how it works in low light. And then we're gonna have some food delivery issues later.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Aww.
He's getting a bit older now.
Oh,
but,
that's good.
he still likes to visit every now and
That's
again.
so cute. Hi, buddy.
Is he like an English cream or like
Well, he's a golden retriever.
golden, yeah.
We couldn't get over that golden retriever and how sweet the Airbnb host is, so I included a lot of him and showing us around the property. But you can tell with the low light, it starts to get a little bit more blurry. And again, I do have timestamps links, so if you want to skip all of this and go to the part where I sum it up, you can go to that as well. And this is a DJI mic that comes with the combo, but I will link both mics down below.
The driver then would have gone upstairs, so they call them coach houses. See this thing? I said that was for tying.
Oh wow!
The horse.
Wow!
Wow.
So they would
Love
like
that.
put the horses.
I don't know, tie them probably together
Yeah.
or something. Yeah.
This is so cool.
I
And you've
know.
lived here, like in this house since 2002?
In the main house.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love it.
Really cool.
It is cool.
So that's your
I
bathroom.
love. Yeah.
There's a very big wardrobe room upstairs.
Oh, you're so sweet.
And, yeah. So I'd see if Shane was in there. If he is, he probably could do that because
Okay. No.
really, I know lighting fires, you need small pieces to start it and stuff. I don't do.
Yeah.
I don't either.
Yeah.
I'll see if he can come in to do that.
Okay. That'd be awesome. If not, it's okay. But yeah, if he could, if he's around, and
Maybe,
maybe.
yes. He's been working in Connemara, so as long as he didn't take an early night. Okay, so
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
and if there's anything else you need, I'm in the main house.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
All right.
you so
Thank
much.
you. Nice to meet you.
This is so perfect. Wait, I'm actually like want to say so upset.
Aww.
Oh my gosh, guys! This is so
a dream.
perfect.
Oh my gosh. I love.
Oh my gosh. Look at this room, the closet. I'm gonna cry.
Literally.
Maybe we could
The
stay
carpet.
Friday if they yeah. Can we? So
I love
cute.
you.
He says he makes castles. Did
Wait,
you hear
I'm in
that?
love with him.
Cottages.
Or cottages?
Yeah.
Cottages. I want to see what their house looks like.
He's sending his brother over.
Yeah. Yeah. So maybe.
You okay now, guys?
Yeah. The lights off. Wait, also
Let's
I
see
do
the
know the
vibe.
holiday movie you're talking about. They're in the English countryside.
Yeah, you've seen
Yes, but I haven't seen it in a while, so I'm excited to like watch it again.
Should we just have a dinner out?
Same living room, like it's like
Yeah.
I remember.
Okay, I am about to sign with a modeling agency. It's in North Carolina, so I feel like that'll be perfect. I'm signing it now. I'm so excited to do a job here and there if I get them.
The same person. I have a problem with faces.
What did they say?
They said we did not call the right restaurant. And they were like,
Yeah, the wrong one kind of got mad at us because he was like chocolate pizza. What is that?
restaurant.
Yeah, an Indian restaurant. We called it an Indian restaurant. Oh, smart. And then we called the right restaurant, and they said they tried to come, but they had our number wrong and they couldn't call us. So they tried to email me, and that didn't work. So we just said we would go stand on the corner, and they're gonna bring us the food. I think that's so kind. Okay, we got it.
yay.
Thank you so much.
for
That's
you.
so nice.
And you can't go with empty hands. You have to.
You have some as well.
I gotta help out too.
God bless you guys.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Sorry. He was so sweet. Only in Ireland would you get told God bless for making her delivery.
I know
Come
for
again.
making them come twice. So nice. Alita's gonna die that we actually have this.
It smells so good.
I know. The chocolate pizza. We have to eat this. Tee-hee.
Celeb crush.
And he's
Wait,
so perfect.
Also, Leah, he was such a cute old man. I'm like, only in Ireland did the delivery drivers tell you God bless for making them come back a second time. He's like, God bless you. I was like, you're like, God bless you. No, I was like,
so
thank you so much.
mad.
And then she was carrying something and I wasn't. He was like, you can't leave empty-handed.
I gotta give you some too.
It was so freaking cute, bro. So cute.
I want to like get a
little pic. I'm just gonna spread. Mukbang.
Oh, the chocolate pizza. That looks good. It is Nutella. That's what I was hoping. Mukbang.
Dude, when you said chocolate pizza, he was like, chocolate pizza.
He's like, okay, wrong place for sure. But he kept on entertaining it.
Wait, he was so sweet.
I know.
Sweetie pie.
Wow. Here. Okay, blind taste test of chocolate pizza.
Test. Your chocolate pizza.
No, I love Nutella. But it literally is just Nutella and pizza. But I like it. So altogether, my opinion on this camera is that it's the perfect one to travel with because of the stabilization feature. I don't have any other camera that can stabilize like this just built in, and you don't have to buy any extra accessories. The microphone that comes with it is absolutely amazing, and it has great audio without the microphone, and just having something separate from your phone is great. Look at the size too. I'm definitely going to go more in depth on this, so click below for the next video.